welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be styling this single denim jacket in bunch of different ways. So we all know that denim jackets are such an essential in our wardrobe. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you bunch of different ways in which I'm going to pair this denim jacket like with western clothes, Indo-western clothes and also Indian clothes. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So for this first outfit idea, I have styled this denim jacket with overall monochromatic outfit. So I am wearing this black spaghetti inside with this black tights, and also I am wearing this black leather shoes. So I bought this leather shoes from Amazon. So if you want, I will provide the link down below. You can check that out as well. So you can see guys, just styling a denim jacket with the overall monochromatic outfit just increases and enhances the look. You can also pair a black leather belt with this outfit. It will add more edge to this outfit and it will look more classy. For the second style idea, I have paired this denim jacket with my skater dress. So you can see like this is my favorite style idea from this entire video guys. I love this skater dress of mine, and pairing up with this denim jacket is like enhancing the look totally. And also I'm wearing white sneakers so that it goes with the outfit well. So I've kept this look very simple. You can totally wear it for any vacation or any trip. This looks so comfy and so stylish at the same time. For jewelry, I'm only wearing this silver chain and that's it, and this overall look is looking so pretty and so cute. Moving on to the third style idea, I have paired this denim jacket with this white crop top and this long skirt. So this gives me like a Goa feel, like the long skirt paired up with this denim jacket. So you can also wear like a bralette inside and wear this denim jacket on top to just cover it up if you want. And it will look totally gorgeous with this outfit. And for footwear, I'm just wearing my flat sandals. So I just wanted to keep this look very simple and basic. That is why I'm not wearing any kind of jewelry. But if you want, you can add some minimal jewelry with this outfit and it will look fab. Moving on to the fourth style idea, for that I'm just wearing my casual tee, that is like crop tee, and also I'm wearing this high-waisted denims, and with that I'm carrying my denim jacket. So you can either carry or you can also wear this denim jacket. So you can see how well the colors are going, like the two denims, the denim jacket and the denim jeans are looking kind of similar with this yellow tee inside. It is like enhancing the look even more further. So this look perfect for going for college or even classes. You can also wear this outfit totally for like street shopping with your girlfriends, because this look looks so casual and so trendy at the same time. And I'm also carrying this backpack of mine, and with this high ponytail, this look is like totally my style, which I will definitely wear when I'm going out. Moving on to the next style idea, for that I am pairing this denim jacket with my ethnic lehenga. So to make this look more stylish, I am just wearing this denim jacket a bit off shoulder so that my collarbones are exposed and it looks nice. Also I have tied my hair in a low ponytail. So if you're going for a cocktail party or some reception, you can totally wear like some ethnic jewelry, heavy ethnic jewelry with this outfit, and you will look bomb, trust me guys. So if you want, you can just roll up the sleeves or keep it like that, like I am doing in this video. So as I told you, like this look is like totally perfect for any cocktail party. And with this overall outfit, I am just wearing my bronze platform heels. Moving on to the sixth style idea, for that I am just wearing this bodycon dress with this horizontal stripes. So you can see that this horizontal stripes are making me look wide. So for that, in that case, what you can do, just tie this denim jacket around your waist. It will cinch your waist perfectly and give you that perfect figure. So if you want, you can use this trick with different outfits. Like if your outfit is very loose, so you can tie this around and it will cinch your waist perfectly. But look at this overall outfit, guys, like with this black and white striped dress and this denim jacket around and this ankle length boots. So you can see that each and every piece in this outfit is complementing each other so well. Like this look is totally perfect, guys, if you want to go nightclubs, or you can also wear it for any music concert. Like I'm totally seeing myself wearing this for BTS concert if I had a chance to go to. So you can also wear this outfit for your like night parties and anything of that sort. Moving to the next style idea, for that I am just styling this denim jacket with my white kurti and black leggings. So you can wear any other color of kurti as well, and you can style this denim jacket with that as well, and it will look equally pretty. So did you see, guys, like a single denim jacket looks good with everything and anything that you wear, and it like enhances your look totally and makes your look 10 times more stylish, which I totally like. So with this white kurti and this denim jacket, I am wearing my silver watch, and for the footwear I am just wearing this nude pair of heels, which is going well with this outfit, and also it is helping in elongating my legs, which is like totally perfect. So with this look you can also style like a silver oxidized choker and it will look good as well. Moving to the second last style idea, for that I am wearing this high neck ribbed sweater, and I have styled this with black wash denim and same old leather boots. So you can see, like without the denim jacket, this outfit is looking so basic, but let me show you how it looks after I have added the denim jacket. So like you can see, guys, like it has like totally increased the look, and like it has made this look so posh and so rich. So with this high neck lavender color knitted sweater, this denim jacket is going so perfectly. So this look is totally perfect if you are going for a bike ride or a road trip. And I don't know why in my mind Ladakh is coming, so like a trip to Ladakh with this outfit and black sunglasses and your helmet will look so perfect, like so put together. Moving to the last outfit idea, for that I have just buttoned down the entire front portion of this denim jacket, and I am wearing it as a shirt or a top, whatever you call it, and I have kept everything the same. So this style idea is for that time when we all say that we have nothing to wear. So girls, if you have nothing to wear from the next time, just button down your denim jacket and it will look totally put together. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.